Alright, g'day you all, welcome back to another Ash applications video. So in this video what I'll be doing is I'll just be taking my nephew's 2004 Liberty, or IT, and I'll just be giving it a nice touch up for him. So this car here is a daily driver, it's a beater, so it's got a lot of deterioration in the paint, and some scrapes on the body, tinting and all that. It's a daily driver, so that's what he uses it for. So I'm going to just clean it up for him. So just simple stuff here, like a lot of the brake dust on the rims there. I'll clean that all up, and it just demonstrates too that you can have a beater, but you can still look after it and have it slightly presentable. And when you do clean your car and look after it, you do get a bit of satisfaction out of that too as well. So it's always good to have a nice car to drive around in, even though it is a beater. So let's see how we can take it. It's just been sitting here while he's been away in Sweden for a while, so it's got a lot of dirt on it, it's got a lot of cobwebs on it. So we'll just clean him up and see how it comes up. Like I'm not going to go overboard. I'm not going to do anything to the paint. What I'll do is probably put a cutting compound on and give it a slight cut back with some polish, and then put a top coat of wax polish over the top of it, and that should come up alright. All the dust should come off the wheels. I've got a couple of techniques that I'll demonstrate on how to get them off there. You can see it, I just wiped it off there with my finger. So yeah, so we'll just go through that. Start off with just hitting it with the pressure cleaner, and then
before we go much further, what we'll do now is concentrate on the wheels, and I'll give you a perfect demonstration of what happens when you don't agitate any of the wheel cleaners that you use on the wheel.
righto, so what we're going to do before we start any of the scrubbing or washing, I'm just going to spray all the wheels there with the soapy water. So literally that is dishwashing detergent with a mixture of water. Alright, so I'm just spraying that on there. Got my ties as well. Best effect when you're spraying any car cleaning, like wheel cleaners or anything, you need to agitate it. If you don't, it's just going to sit there. So I'll demonstrate that. I'm just going to leave that on there. I'm not going to agitate it, and we'll see what happens. So righto, so as you can see, we didn't agitate it, and we hit it with the pressure washer, and it did bugger all. So that leads me on to my next point, is when you're applying whatever product you're using on your wheel as a wheel cleaner, the best results are gained from agitating it. Right, so let's step through that again and agitate it, and I've got a few devices here that we can use while we're doing it. So I'll try a cloth, microfiber, we've got a brush, and then we've also got our wheel cleaner brush. Alright, so let's step through those and see how they can help us. Alright, so once again, I'll spray on just using our soapy water, nothing fancy. Like I said, I'll step through other products as well and show you how they work. You get your purpose-built ones that have got iron solutions and everything in there, work a treat. Just to say, you don't actually need to do it if you look after your car. So I'll try just a cloth. So that works pretty good. A microfiber cloth here. Try that on this side. So that's working pretty good. Got our brush. That's just a nylon brush. So that works well, and then we've got our purpose designed wheel cleaner. This one's actually quite good because it can reach back and get all the dirt and everything that's formed on the wheel itself back in there. Alright, so let's give it a knock off with the pressure washer and see how that little bit of work works for us. Righto, that's only about 1,000% better. Just a little bit of agitation. I didn't have to work hard on that either. So I'll just go through and just give those areas that need a little bit more work. Brilliant, come up really nice, got all the brake dust off and whatever other dirt was on there. Quite simple. Gave the tyre a bit of a scrub while I was there as well. Right, I'll continue on with the rest of the car and we'll do the wheels, the same technique. See how we go. Right, so finished with the initial pressure wash, and it did what pressure washers do, got rid of all the surface dust and build up of bird droppings, bloody cobwebs. So now I'm on to the next stage. So what I'm going to do now is I've got some Fleet Clean truck wash, and I just diluted that, and I'm going to put it in the foam sprayer and then douse that, let it sit for a couple of minutes and then hose it off again, and then I'm going to reapply the foam and then hit it with a mitt, and that'll go some ways to prepare the surface for the next part. I'm not going to clay bar it, as past clay barring, and I'll just hit it with a cutting compound, mild cutting compound, and then hit it with another coat of wax polish. See how that brings it up. Worst bloody timer decides not to work, but anyway, let's persevere. Righto, so all the cleaning has been done, ready for the polishing. Like I said, it's a beater, so you can see the watermark, so that's actually gone on the inside. But it's got most of all the dirt on there. It's come up. So let's see how it polishes up. Okay, so I've just finished most of the car using the ultimate compound there. I like using it because it's a mild sort of cutting compound in there, and it polishes up as well. It'd be good for this car. I didn't want to go too heavy on the compound. So this one works really well. I've used it before. As you can see, for example, on the car, let me see if I can get it in the sun here. So I did half the bonnet on the left there and left the other half on the right hand side. So I did really well, come up nice. So I just moved it in, I was doing all polishing in the shade. I just moved it into the sun to see how it looked. And it's come up pretty good. Bonnet, I got rid of the roof. I got a lot of the ingrained dirt off there, and especially around the door here. Got a lot of the dirt off around there, so that's coming up pretty good. And I'll spend a little bit more time when I get the bull pad on there as well. The bull pad does surprisingly well, getting rid of that stuff as well. Around to the back. The boot come up really good. It's really nice, especially sparkling off in the sun there. Looks nice. Alright, so I also hit the lens covers there with the buffer and some polish. So that's the after. That's what they looked like before. You can see that one's much more yellow. So that little bit of buffing with a little bit of polish on the lens covers works. You can see the difference there. A good before and after. Righto, so we finished all of the polishing, which come up really good. So the last coat that I put on there, I used the Gold Class Canubra Plus, which is a really good polish. So that was the last coat that we put on after we did the compound polish. So all of most of the areas that had a lot of dirt and a lot of fading on it cleaned up a little bit better. The car in general, aside from all of the patina from the top coat and everything, come up really good. For example, that the boot come up really well. All the quarters came up nice. All of the sides of the car where there's no hail damage or chip marks come up really nice. the wheels, especially the front wheels. And I didn't use any of the specific ion wheel cleaner team. I just used that soapy water, so that cleaned. I haven't done anything to any of the rough marks around the wheels. I just simply did a clean on it. The windscreen, I cleaned all that as well. So I've come up pretty good. Oh yeah, so you know, just because you've got a daily driver and a beater doesn't mean that it has to look like an unloved automobile. Put a little bit of time and effort into your car, it does present okay. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you think like doing the polishing on such a beat up car is a worthwhile endeavour. But it did come up nice. Once again, thanks for your time. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you on the next one. Bye for now.